So, hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another round. This time it will be. Okay. So, 816, 17. Really? Why not? Oh, this is what I just started to record. Dummy me. Dummy me. Okay, let's get into it. Hey, how are you? A little bit sad. Oh, fuck. Oh, um, does it ever happen to you that somehow like it's got so mixed up in your head that you are pressing the right key with the right finger, but on the other hand? It happens to me. I did find out. I'm actually a jealous person. I mean, it's easy not to get jealous if you don't give a shit about the person. Well, yeah, that's the. When. I don't know. I guess I didn't met the right person to be jealous for. Oh wow, that's that's bad. It's getting worse and worse. Oh, it's late. Oh, I have an excuse. Okay, fuck that. That will be the end. And we'll continue where we did left off yesterday. No, no. Well, I mean, I'm able to, but I'm able to type, but just like words. But to jump words, delete entire line, things like that, moving around, it's much more convenient to do it with this keyboard. Coding, I'm talking about. It's no problem to chat with someone on a normal keyboard, but to do anything else, I just hate. And I want my keyboard. I kind of know what this is about already, so I think we will do next thing, which is structural directives. I'll put it into my notes. What the fuck? Okay, and we will steal this, put it in here. Ah, yeah, I remember. Yeah, it's so good, right? To have like the arrows right underneath your hand suddenly, and you can customize it so much. Or even if you like customize like few things which you do the most often time, it has such a great benefit. You don't want to go back, really. Um, yeah, right. It's suddenly like one realizes how unoptimized the normal keyboard is once you go into like split keyboards like yeah, or like, well, programmable keyboards and with the different layouts. Just the thing that you are using both of your thumbs for the space, it's complete waste. Hey, well, currently I'm just going through the documentation to learn. And welcome back, Legal Logic. Hey, Orkson. Ahoy. I don't know. I might not be, I might switch to something else. I will just abandon it. Oh, what did I... Structural directives, I think. Yeah, that was like shift left arrow or something like. No. Yes. No. Okay. Whatever. Um, Yeah, I had a project I was working on. Like a full stack, right? And the backend was in Java, the front end in Angular. But I don't see the point of continuing in that again. Uh, the next project I will be working on, probably on a stream as well, will be my personal pages, most likely. This is a good start. How are the audio levels? Maybe the music could be louder, right? A little bit, maybe. Usually I have a logs because of children's, not because of cats, but hey. Oh, I didn't change the counter, right? It will be to 816. Yeah, here we go. And she is just opening it and doing nothing in it, or she's taking some shit out of it. Oh, loud noise. Okay. Maybe. Okay, so I have a new idea. Because normally I'm just like going through that, right? And this will be ngserve open. Here we go. The idea I had was, oh fuck, to have a look how they've done it and then replicating it without actually looking at. So here's the unless directive. Oh, look at that. Template the reference and view container. Where this one is coming from. Why is this extra as view condition in there? Hey, Mike. Welcome back. I'm okay. Busy with the work. Trying not to get crazy because of relationships. How are you? Longer than planned. How much longer? Like a year? Like 5 more years than planned previously? Probably some useless stuff like IT. Oh, nice. Yeah, a PhD is good if you want to do science, in my opinion. Other than that, well, I don't know how is that in like mechanical engineering. Maybe that will do something for you, but in the software engineering, nah. Yeah, you have to love it, really. It's it has to be something which you like to do or do it for the status, I guess. Yeah, it could be like easy peasy life. You don't even have to do it in 5 years, right? Uh, which is most often time the case. But I have seen like the people are usually torn between multiple things. They are not just doing the PhD. They also have a job after some time, and it's a different road. I didn't took, because it wasn't, well, I was struggling. I really needed the money, so yeah. Okay, so this one is a little bit harder to. Oh, never mind. This one's a little bit harder for me to read. The unless directive creates an embedded view. Sure. From the Angular generated ng template. Okay. Where the ng template is coming from? Is it just so we pass down the template? How the fuck does this work? Yeah, now it's the same, but I don't know what's happening. I'm sorry. I'll try to restart the headphones. Because I did hear it also, and now it seems to be working all right, I guess. Hey, Tronstar. Sleep tight. Hopefully the spikes are gone now. Adjacent to the dive, this original P. Okay, now. Spiked. Oh, what's happening here? What's happening in the chat? Wolf Cave Mount. Oh, nice. I'm okay, busy with work, Tramstar. Um, Struggling with some relationship thingy, I guess, more or less. Might be in love, but I'm not sure. Full of emotions. That's what's happening. I have been promoted to subject matter expert in our company, so that means like people from around the world from our company is now coming to me for advices, which is not sophisticated at all. I usually tell them things like I communicate, whatever. The test you are writing for should be next to the code change you actually did do. Please use the same name, or the name of the test should be describing what is actually going on in the test and stuff like that. Oh, there was another spike. Is it like broken this? Oh fuck. I'm so sorry. Fucking damn it. Maybe it's time for me to buy new headphones or microphone or something. Yeah, you can. Ten years experience now. That's still really good pay, I would say. Oh, thank you. I wish. For me it is like right now I'm so hopeful, and then it's like some small things and I'm all desperate suddenly that I'm not loved anymore, and it's all going to shit, and oh, that's not given, unfortunately. That's not given at all. Okay, I guess we just inject those and it will do shit. That's how I'm reading it right now. This is the input that's like property with a setter. Okay, cool. So input set nothing unless, and that's here. It's like interesting that here's just the setter. Oh, and that's setting the. Well, I was hired as a full stack, but last few months I was doing the front end only, and that's actually because the company I work for right now, the front end is really fucked up, and they are missing people with the front end expertise. So I am the expert in that company. Uh, lol. Me and two other guys. My boss told me that I will be team lead for some team for some team. Oh yeah, I'm very valued in that company, which is kind of good for ego. Like people are coming and asking me questions and asking for advices. Uh, Even personal stuff, not only professional, which I do value a lot. You know, when people come to me with problems like that. Um, um, I would like to think so, but sometimes I have good moments. And the paths, yeah, I like to teach and lead people, and I think I have a gift for that, or talent, or whatever you say. Because I think about the people as like someone I should take care of, not uh, boss them around. Where's this coming from? The structure directive kind of places new elements in in your view or template. Like example of that would be like ngIf, ngFor, and stuff like that. You know, that kind of like places new elements inside of the HTML. And here it is how you can do your own. I have to start meditate again. Yeah, exactly. This is the ngIf actually. It's unless, so it's basically a reversed ngIf. I mean, not this, but the entire thing. This is part of the logic, right? If the condition is false and the Angular hasn't created the view previously, the setter causes the view container to create the embedded view from the template. If the condition is true and the view is currently displayed, the setter clears the container which disposes of the view. Condition is true and it has view. So if it doesn't, it will create the embedded view with some template reference. And it said it has view. I'm like kind of confused why this looks to me like it is extra here. I don't know why this condition is here. Why is it not enough to have the condition, this condition in here? Do you need that in daily jobs or? No, I don't need that. I usually just tell them the like very basics, like the level of expertise in this company is very low. At the most amount of people, they decided to hire very cheap people from India, and that's what they get. So I want to pump up my expertise, and I will move to another company sooner or later. The thing is, I'm like right now I'm fighting. Uh, I'm trying not to get complacent because I can do my job like very easily and being even like the subject matter expert without doing much in my own uh, like a scale of things, right? But I I will not grow that way. So no, we don't do micro frontends. And if you mention to this to our manager, to our management in the US, they would probably want that, which would be really bad for our application. Even now, someone told them about the microservices, and they immediately like, yeah, we want that, shiny, dude. We have so many problems in there. There's no way that we shouldn't do like anything like that. It's like when your house is full of shit and you think everything will be much better uh, if you do like extra driveway to your house or something like that. Well, honestly, I just could tell them without reading anything about them, and I would be already like superstar. The management is like very disconnected from the technical part of the development. the complete thing. Here's the testing, right? Condition is false right now. And okay. I want a toggle in there somewhere. Yeah, I don't want like I just want to have like native element. I can do checkbox, right? Checkbox sounds nice. Just to toggle the condition. Oh, this is. Is this the right project? Is this the right project? Like, oh, here is the condition. Okay, it's here already. What the fuck I'm looking at? This is the structure directive. Where is this like the radio colors, the light green thing and shit? Like, it's not even there. Like, what the fuck? What am I looking at? Seriously. This is the structural directives. I am running that, right? Yeah. What the fuck? Fuck the spikes. Oh, come on. I get him angry really easily, huh? Yeah, that's better similarly. Yeah, well, on that level, they don't care really. After I'll stop the recording, we will have a talk, which will not be archived. I will ask you something. Maybe you can tell me. Personal. But I'm confused about this now. What the fuck? Like, there's a highlight, non-bendable things, and like it's not there. It's not there. What's in it? Okay. App root. That has the app component. Okay, so that's better. Where did I took the other thing from? Am I crazy? What kind of... Where was I? What the fuck? Did it actually really open different place entirely? Okay, whatever. This guy says it's over, so it is.